Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for CLV Wallet application. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open the CLV Wallet application from your app drawer, and from the first interface, tap on I don't have a wallet if you are trying to create a new wallet. If you already have a wallet, you can tap on I already have a wallet and follow the prompts in order to sign into your existing wallet. Once you tap on I don't have a wallet, it'll take you to a new page where you can enter your wallet's name and create a new password for your wallet. After you create a new password, retype in the password one more time in the next field. Once you are done, tap on the continue button. Now, you will be able to see your seed phrases generated on this page. Simply go ahead and tap on the screen to clear the blur to reveal a seed phrase. Remember that you should keep your seed phrases confidential and not reveal it to anyone. Once you reveal your seed phrases, go ahead and write down the seed phrases in a piece of a paper in the correct order. Once you are done, tap on continue. On the next page, select the seed phrases in the correct order that you previously backed up. After typing in the seed phrases in the correct order, tap continue at the bottom and you have successfully backed up your wallet. Now tap on done and take a tour in order to get familiar with the wallet. And that is how you should be able to create a new wallet on CLV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.